We guide you through how to see your Instagram password quickly and safely using your phone. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Instagram app and make sure you are logged in. Then go to your profile and tap the three lines in the top corner. From there, tap Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and look for Accounts Center. Then tap Password and Security. Now select Change Password and choose your Instagram account. At this point, you won't directly see your current password for security reasons. But here's the trick. Tap Forgot Password, and Instagram will send a reset link to your email or phone number. Open the link and you'll be able to create a new password. If your goal is to check your saved password instead, go to your phone settings. For Android, open Google, then Password Manager. Or for iPhone, go to Settings, then Passwords, search for Instagram, and after verifying your identity, you can view your saved password instantly. Always keep your password secure and avoid sharing it with anyone. And that's it.